Yesterday this thing wasn't working properly, so I'm gonna take it apart. I also have a spare part, so I'm just gonna swap parts with parts. Something was leaking out inside, and it was creating a shock. So just have to find out what's wrong. Okay, swapping the parts in front. So I'm swapping from one to the other one. I know the electronics on this one works. I'm just swapping this part with that part. So this thing overheated, and so it started to leak. So because we have a spare part which we're not using, I'm just going to transpose this to that. I think there's a problem with electronics on this one. I'm not exactly sure, but I do know the electronic works. So I'm just going to figure out what happened. So once I swap parts, then I'll check it out. Before I do a swap, I have to make sure that I did capture the wiring. Sometimes if you don't have a picture of the wiring, then you can't really, it's fatal or destructive if you don't do the wiring properly. So this is what I'm doing. I was beginning to do a teardown because I could actually take this piece, whole assembly out without removing the wiring. So except for the sensors maybe. So I'm just gonna slowly disassemble this part and show you the pieces. So the main thing to keep in mind is the headers and the position of the collars right here, right here, and otherwise it's all easy. The only thing left to remove is this red wire. This is the piece disassembled. So as you can see, there's calcium built up there. The water actually started to leak here. So when we were using it this morning, getting shocked because the water was running through the electronics, creating a health hazard. So if you ever see these things begin to leak, turn off power, stop using it, and remove it, because it's really shocking. I'd say, to take a shower and then you actually shock and die from this. So what happened here is because the water has been cold recently, the heating element was set out max, and if you stop taking a shower and you don't let it cool down, the plastic gets stick out here. So you really have to watch out. Okay, so I'm going to take this thing apart. Make sure the colors are captured, so I don't necessarily begin to lose where things goes. So it's really important to take things apart like these. You know where the wire colors are supposed to be. I've also decided to check the sensors. This is a magnetic switch, so there's something inside which after several years begins to swell and it won't move anymore. So as you can see, it's beginning to swell. Eventually this thing will swell and it won't move. This is how it detects water flow. So and this is the magnetic switch. So when the water is going up this way, it touches that, and it sends a signal to the electronic to say, yeah, water is flowing. turns on the heater. If it doesn't detect water flowing, it won't turn on the heater, so it won't melt anything. So, I'll see the other one, see if it's still good. Okay, this is the other one. It's gonna, with all of the water, black water. Seems alright. But I've decided to swap anyway, just in case, because I know this thing works. So we'll see how this will come out. I really hate to disassemble these, put them back together, and then disassemble them again. But this thing works. That one, I don't like it works. Okay, the water heater is still back, and I'm just going to put a cover and then start the test. Let's see what happened after. Well, it wasn't working the way I wanted it, and then I realized I have something here missing. So I was wondering why it wasn't working properly. But once I connect it, I'll have to check it again. Okay, it seems to be working now. So let's see, it's warming up. Okay, it's getting warmer. So, seems like my exchanging parts works for this heater, water heater. So what I did works if you have spare parts. If you don't have spare parts, well, SOL. Good luck if you want to do this.